Good old signs of Australian nightlife.
Classic. Paper's a bit wet. What's it down?
Cows in the background. Is that high-pitched thing frogs in the distance?
Yeah. Tom likes them.
Do I? No, I don't.
Tom, you're halfway there to be...
any of these creatures.
Tom, you're halfway there to be in French, you know.
I got kookaburras on my camera.
When kookaburras start doing that to me, I'm gonna kill them. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna climb up the tree and I'm gonna kill them. I don't like them, they're horrible. Hello.
I can't see you at all because the light's gone funny. What did you say about the kookaburras?
They're horrible. They're loud, they wet you up, they're laughing at you. You just need killing like any other creature.
Tom hunts rats for fun.
You're damn right. I hunt rats for fun. I fucking hate rats.
Horrible thing. I hunt most things for fun.
Don't you think that's just a beautiful noise though?
No, they're laughing at you. They're just horrible.
They're everywhere. They're all around us.
They better shut up soon. Oh yeah, you're gonna film your knickers as well? Do they make noise?
No, I can't see them anyway, it's too dark. Wow. Okay. There's a taster of some Australian nightlife. Oh, kookaburras aren't necessarily nighttime creatures. They call a lot at dawn and at dusk, but also all through the day. However, that is the first time I've successfully managed to capture them on camera for the sound. Not that you can see them.